Let's take view source for a spin on phpwomen.org. In Chrome, we get to it from View, Developer, View Source. So the first few lines start off with the big picture HTML structure we talked about a few challenges ago. Doc type, HTML, head. Inside the head is the title element, followed by some meta elements. Next, we see connections to some external JavaScript and CSS files. You'll get to those in future courses. Note how the head just contains the behind-the-curtains type stuff of the site. We don't get to the content of the web page until we get down here to the body. Usually when people see view source for the first time, it surprises them. They ask what prevents people from just stealing websites. Well, it's not quite that easy. Websites are kind of like icebergs. What you see here is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot of stuff below the water, or actually the server, that isn't publicly viewable. So with view source, you can only see a website's front-end code. That is, the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's not the whole picture, but it can still give you useful insight into how some of your favorite sites are put together.